Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I hope you're all fine. I hope you're all doing well, taking care of yourselves and your loved ones. Now, this video is a part of the numerical analysis series, and in this video I will be discussing the Euler's method. Now, the Euler's method is a very simple, it's a very easy one, so it will not take you that long time to understand. So I'll try to make this video as simple and as quick as possible. Okay, so just consider that we will be given a first order first degree equation, and we will also be given these terms x0 and y0. What is x0, what is y0, you'll understand them later. And this is our formula here. This, just understand that whenever we are trying to calculate the value of, let's say, y of n, we will need to use the value of y of n minus 1 and x of n minus 1, right? For example, in this case, if we want to calculate say the value of let's say y of 1, so in that case this formula would look something like this. It will look something like this, right? So we'll just solve a question, and by this you'll definitely have a clearer idea about this. So we'll understand this by using this problem here. It's a very simple problem. Here the given equation is x cube plus y, and also the given value of y0 is 1, and the given value of h is 0.1 here, and we will have to calculate till y of 0.02. Now, how to calculate this? I'll just show you that. So first let's write down whatever we have given here. Y of 0, that is 1, it's given. Y of 0 is 0, and the function here is x cube plus y. Now we will calculate y of 1, as I said, y of 1 using y of 0, h, x0 and y0, right? So here we will calculate y of 1. Now this y of 1 can also be written as this. This is the step length value, that is 0.01. So we have added that to the x0's value. Now remember, whenever we calculate the x of n's value or y of n's value, we use y of n minus 1, or we use x of n minus 1, right? Here we are trying to calculate y of x 0.01. So we can calculate that by using x of 0's value. We can consider this y of, let's say, y of x1. So we have x1. In order to calculate this, we need x0, and we have done just that. So y0's value is 1, h's value is 0.01, which is given. Now the formula, so the formula is x cube plus y. So x0's value is 0, so 0 cube is 0 plus 1. The value is this, that's coming out as this. So y of 0.01 is this value. Now we'll calculate the next iteration value. How do we do that? So y of the previous one was 0.01, right? So we'll just add the step value to it, that is 0.01 plus 0.01, that is 0.02. This one, or y2 is, now this one is y2, so for that we will need y1, which we just calculated in the previous one. So y1 here is this value, right? So we'll put that here. H value is, but it just remains the same, right? Now the x's value, in this case the x's value will be the step value, the previous step value, which is 0.01. so we put that into the formula, 0.01 cube plus the y1's value here, and we get this answer. Now we were asked, if you focus on the question, we were asked to compute the value for y of 0.02, and we have done exactly that. So this is our answer, this. So one more time, we just need to keep in mind that we will be using the values of x0, let me just write them down, x0, y0 and h. These are the values that are going to be useful, right? So we have written them down. Y0 is 1, x0 is 0, and here given value of h is 0.01. Now we'll just calculate the approximate values, right? So y1 is y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. Now the f or the function here is x cube plus y. So x0's value is 0 cube plus y0's value is 1. We have calculated that and use a calculator, and this is the value we get. We keep on doing it and we get the values that we are looking for. Okay, so this is the second question, and by completing this question we'll just end this video. This question is fairly simple, just almost the same, even the values are the same, only that we'll have to calculate it till x is 1. So what does this mean? It means in the previous question we were asked to calculate till y of 0.02. So this is x's value. The previous case we had to only calculate twice, because in the second iteration we got this value of x. In this case we have to iterate a few more times, because the step value is 0.2 and we'll have to find till x is 1, right? And this equation is x into y. Nothing too difficult, it's pretty simple. x0's value is 0, y0's value is 1, h's value is 0.2, which are all given in the question. Now we calculate the approximate values. So how do we do that? y0 plus, we just use the same formula, h into function of x0 y0, 1 plus 0.2, which is the h value, and the equation is x into y. X's value is 0, y's value is 1, so this entire thing becomes 0, the value is 1. So y1 is 1. Now for y2 or y at 0.2, that is y1 plus h into fx x1 comma y1. Now in this case we'll use the value of y1 that we got from the previous iteration, that is 1 plus h's value remains same. Now the x1's value changed, this x1 is 0.2. Now we calculate the whole thing, we get this result. Did you get it? Now the next iteration 3 or 0.6. In this case we have done the exact same thing, we just changed the value of y with the previous or the latest value of y, which was this. We have put that, h remains same, x is the previous x, which is the latest x 0.4, into the latest y, which is 1.04. This is the value we get. And if we continue to do so till in the question we were asked till x is 1, so till x is 1 means this till this point. So grand total of 5 iterations we have to perform, right? 5 iterations. So I haven't written the formula anymore, I just put the values directly. You can do it yourself, it's very simple, it's very easy, and the given answer that we were looking for is this. So I hope you were able to understand the question, and I will try to cover the entire numerical series, and then I will also upload videos on programming. So stay subscribed to this channel, and I will definitely upload more videos in the future. Thank you for watching.